Hi there, this is John Kelsey. Thanks for watching this video. Something you may not know about me is that I used Red Rhino software as an estimator for over 6 years. All I did was find jobs to bid, estimate and sell the jobs, and then hand them off to project managers, and I'd go find more work. And during that time, I was trained by people who bid literally hundreds of millions of dollars in jobs. I had the great privilege of being trained by top professionals every step of the way. You know what? I love sharing that knowledge with others. I'm Red Rhino's biggest fan, and I've watched and helped hundreds of contractors transform their business by using Red Rhino as their estimating system. We have many customers who started out not knowing anything about bidding projects. I like to say they didn't know what they didn't know. But now they're bidding quickly, accurately, and confidently like never before. Red Rhino really takes the guesswork out of bidding projects. Now in this video, I'm going to explain some tools to help you crank out more estimates much faster. Tools that save you a ton of time are wizards and assemblies. The Conduit Wizard is our rock star tool. After you measure the total length the conduit runs from the blueprint or drawing and use the Conduit Wizard, it spits out both material, pricing, and labor for conduit, couplings, connectors, supports, and total footage of wire needed. It's pure torture to estimate conduit without a Conduit Wizard. I remember before using Red Rhino software, I used to fry my brain trying to figure out how many couplings, and how many connectors, and how many supports, and how many feet of wire. Especially estimating branch wiring with tons of conduit runs. With a Conduit Wizard, it's easy. The next rockstar tool is assemblies. Red Rhino has a lot of assemblies for things like switches, receptacles, and lighting fixtures. An example of an assembly for a 20 amp commercial receptacle is a 4S box, a 1-gang plastering, a duplex receptacle, a plate, a ground pigtail, and some wire nuts. Red Rhino has material prices and labor for each item. When you know what assemblies you have in Rhino, all you have to do is go count the number of receptacles to be installed, go input them into Red Rhino, and Red Rhino spits out all the materials you need to do the estimate for plugs. Approximately 75 to 80% of your input is using the Conduit Wizard or assemblies. Learn them and you'll double your estimating speed. I have to say this for the attorneys. Results may vary, okay? But listen, we want you to use those tools to get speed and accuracy so you can bid it to win it, okay? On the next video, I'll explain a couple of tools and methods that speed up your estimating process so, again, you can bid more jobs in less time. Best success to you. John Kelsey out. Till the